I'm a player. Отражение в глазах твоих, я сонный. Дрожишь, сука, тише, тише. Wait, like that.
Alright. So, just a follow-up on 4 December. Let me get some more citrine. Always needed. Ooh. Take that one. I think we have armor today. Was it armor? I think we have armor today, if I remember correctly. Yeah, armor. Do I even have a good armor? I mean, it's alright. Could be better. It could be better. But let me finish my dailies. Get these. Okay. 8 mythic pills. That's quite nice. It's quite nice. Oh, 238%. It's not bad at all. Alright. Claim that. And let's get to 4. Oh. Got one of those. Let me collect this. Go back in that. And use common materials on that one. Guaranteed legendary. Okay. Whatever. I knew it wasn't gonna be good anyway, so it's to be expected. Alright. Forge some armors. Cope, I mean. Some magical armors. Okay. 40, so that's like 3. Come on. I forgot to look what. Oh, I got a legendary. Cool. I didn't think I would get that. So, what's the highest? 9K. Oh, yeah, I'm behind. Need like 9,000. Okay. I'm behind. Need a 9,000 plus armor. Oh, that was sad. Come on, bro. Just... Come on, bro. Please. Just a 9,000 armor. Wait, can I? Probably can't. I don't think I can use armor on my sword carvings. Come on, dude. Like, what is happening right now? Hello? Not even one freaking 9,000 armor? Alright, you know what? I'll do one more legendary supplement. Use like... Come on, dude. Like, what is happening, dude? Oh, there's a guaranteed legendary. Let's do that. And do that. Okay. Wow. That is crazy. Okay. Let's carve 5 more armors with epic supplements and see how it goes. I just wanted legendary curses to my luck, bro. Curses to my luck. Let's take that. And that as well. Ooh, 2 more arena matches. 8,500. That's not good. Whatever, bro. Whatever. Let's craft the remaining ones and swords. Let's do this. Do that. 3 and then 7 more. What? 9 legendaries to get 50 more forge stones. And how much does that put me at though? Is that enough? Ooh, I need 40. Cool. Phaeton, please. Oh, come on, dude. Treasure tokens. Still needs to have some or sets from Mortal World to finish, so can do that. Okay, what do we have here? Okay. Okay. 7. Okay. Wait a minute. I have crit multiplier, P attack, and physique on this. What do we have here? Agility, that's garbage. Crit multiplier. Let's see. Yep. Nothing. Nothing whatsoever. Sadness. Okay, let me sell those. Even more Fatium. Which one is this one? 150 again. All right. 8,400. No gear, no legendary gear basic set. That's sad. That's sad, bro. Ooh, yes. The last one more to go. Oh yeah, speaking of, I need to do that as well. Let's see. My thing, what's it called again? Mace. 6,000. Call it 7,000 forge stones. Damn. I don't know when I'm getting that, dude. Like, that's so much. Okay, let me finish these 2 last arenas. Oh, I'm 2,200 billion. It's nice. 2.2 trillion, I should say. Ain't that nice? Let's buy one more. Oh, that's how I bought it. Okay. More Fatium. Cool. Alright. I think that's about it. Yep. See you. Thank you for watching.